Some of the things that brought us to purchasing the 399TH, the biggest item for me was the residential refrigerator, because it really takes the fun out of having to go shopping all the time. But
we're a big family of 6.
I love the fact that there is a bathroom and a half, one half bath being in the garage with its own exit and entrance, so this way the kids don't have to come through the whole camper to go to the bathroom, so it keeps it much neater. I love the patio and all the light that it lets into the camper and all the space the camper has. So far, it's been the best camper we've purchased.
And it tows great behind our truck. We've never had a problem. And kids really enjoy it, and we get to see a lot of the USA with it. We had an issue with our black-gray tanks, the release valves, and we decided to call Grand Design because of this problem, and it reoccurred twice. And Grand Design, even though we were out of warranty, they offered to replace the valves and the cables for it, which was fantastic. We didn't have to argue with them. We just called, told them our problem, and they called our dealership to let them know to go ahead and replace those valves and cables. And it was a great experience. The customer service was easy to deal with. They listened to us, then they were very quick to help us resolve it.